First, I appreciate your support. Hope you guys are good. A quick one. I'll guide you on how to troubleshoot and repair a washing machine that won't fill with water. This is an LG. So before you're calling a technician, before you order for that part, please do the basics. The machine clearly says check water tap. Just because you have enough water doesn't mean the machine is faulty. A fully automatic washing machine needs service and maintenance. When you select a program, the first 3 minutes is for filling water. So if the sensor detects that the machine is taking long to fill water, then it will give you an error code. So it will stop. These are the solenoid valves, the 3-way. So before you order this, before you call in a technician, please, the basics. Number 1, check if the pipe that brings in water is okay. It could be kinked, it could be bent. If the pipe is kinked, then it will obstruct the way the machine gets water. Number 2, check the inlet filter, the sieve. Use a pliers to pull this out. If the sieve is clogged, then it obstructs the way water gets into your washer. So either the machine will completely not get water, or the machine will take long to fill in the water, which strains the solenoid valves, and you'll be forced to get new parts. Avoidable. People forget to remove this one. There are 2 sieves on your machine, the solenoid filter, on the solenoid valve. The first one, the blue one that I just removed, and this one. People forget this. If you forget this, yes, you've cleaned the first one, but if you don't clean the small sieve, then the machine won't receive water. So basics: check the pipe, check the filters. Then we have these 2 pipes, the black ones. They at times get clogged. If they are blocked, same thing, the machine won't receive water. Then the dispensing compartment should be porous. Too much detergent, I'm talking about the powder soap, it blocks the dispensing compartment. Use a brush to ensure that is clean. Then last one, the pipe. Always remove this pipe after 3 months. When you're using borehole water, this happens. It gets clogged. You also normally other machines I've seen on like the Von pipes, it has a filter. Ensure the filter is clean. Get a plumber to service the water system. Remember to subscribe. I'm out.